Hello students, welcome to today amazing session. This is Madhu Sharma. Today we are going to deal with the story from the diary of Anne Frank, which is written by a 13-year-old girl. So let's see, you could really relate to the girl's story, girl's life story, so that this is actually taken from her diary. The story which we are going to deal today is from your 10th class English. So let's see how it could goes about and how much we can relate, because Diary of Anne Frank was a 13-year-old girl. So she was also a teenager, just like you all my lovely students. So you could really relate to her life story, because when I read this story, even I was at your age. So right, move ahead with the story. The title of the story itself suggests that the story has been taken from the diary of a young girl known as Anne Frank. Right? Who was Anne Frank? Let's see who was Anne Frank. Let's know a little bit about the background of this wonderful girl who wrote her diary when she was actually 13. Right? She was a Germanish origin who is hiding during the World War II in order to avoid Nazis. She shared her experiences and the story during her time of depression. As we all of us know that she is one of the most discussed Jewish victims of the Holocaust. If you remember Hitler, you remember your social studies. I hope so. When Hitler came to power, we are dealing with that period. And we are dealing with the life story of a girl who was a Jewish origin and the what kind of difficulties that she faced. She doesn't have any close friend. After almost 2 years of hiding, they were discovered and deported to concentration camps. Annie's father, Otto Frank, is the only one of the 8 people to survive. She describes her all important experiences of her childhood in her diary. After her death, Annie became world famous because of the diary she wrote while in hiding. After knowing the background of this wonderful girl, let's move towards the main point of the chapter. In this chapter, Annie Frank tells about the early years of her life. She also describes why she decided to keep a diary, and this chapter contains the first few pages of her diary. Annie was born on 12 June 1929 in Frankfurt in Germany. She had an elder sister who was 3 years older. She had a sister who was 3 years older. In 1933, Annie Frank went to live in Holland. The two sisters kept living in Germany with their grandmother. Then they too went to live in Holland with their parents. Annie started going to a nursery school in Holland when she was 6. Then she joined another school. Annie reached 6th standard. Her new teacher was one Mrs. Cupress. The two became deeply attached to each other. Annie tells us that she loved Mrs. Cupress very much. Annie writes about her parent and her elder sister. She says that her parents and her elder sisters loved her. She had about 30 friends also, yet she always felt herself lonely in the world. Annie tells us she has more than 30 friends. Still she felt lonely in this world. Annie had no one with whom she could share the deepest feeling of her heart. So she decided to keep a diary as a friend, and she called it Kitty. Annie gave a name to her diary, Kitty. One Saturday, 20 June 1942, Annie made an entry in her diary. It was in the form of a letter to Kitty. In her letter, she tells about the student in her class. She tells how nervous the student felt at the time of annual result. Then she writes about her maths teacher, Mr. Keesing. That this was that teacher who always punished Annie Frank. The teacher punished her talking in her class. He would give her extra homework also. Once the teacher asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox. The next day he asked her to write another essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Annie writes the essay again. The teacher liked Annie's essay, but he could no longer tolerate her habit of talking in the class. Now he gave her a very unusual essay to write. The title of the essay was, can you imagine what's the title of the essay? The title of the essay was Quack, 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 said the Mistress Chatterbox. A very unusual topic. The teacher had intended to play a joke on Annie. The reason behind giving this topic to Annie is that the teacher had intended to play a joke on Annie, but she could wrote the essay in such a way that it became a joke on him. Now you can guess how intelligent the Annie Frank was. Annie wrote the essay in the form of a verse. It tells the story of a mother duck and a father swan. The father whipped her 3 ducklings to death because they quacked too much. Clearly, Father Swan was Mr. Keesing and the duckling was the poor children in his class. Luckily, Mr. Keesing took the joke in the right way. He read the poem to several classes. Now he stopped giving Annie extra homework. He allowed her to talk in the class. Now he himself also made jokes with the children. After writing this essay on Quack 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 said the Mistress Chatterbox, there is a lot of changes in her teacher. These are the main points of this chapter, A Diary of a Jungle and Frank. I hope you could understand it in a better way. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay connected.